3 softball teammates, Ashley, Bethany, and Caitlin, each wear a 2-digit prime number on their uniform. Bethany notices that the sum of the other two numbers, Ashley's plus Caitlin's, equals her birthday, which is earlier this month. Caitlin notices that the sum of the other two, Ashley's plus Bethany's, equals her birthday, which is later this month. And Ashley notices that the sum of the other two, Bethany's plus Caitlin's, equals today's date. What number does Caitlin wear? The choices are A. 11, B. 13, C. 17, D. 19, E. 23. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's name the numbers. Call Ashley's number A, Bethany's number B, and Caitlin's number C. Each is a 2-digit prime. The key clue is that every one of the 3 sums is a calendar date, a birthday or today's date, so each sum is at most 31. Now line up the 3 dates in time. Bethany's birthday, A plus C, is earlier this month. Today's date is B plus C. And Caitlin's birthday, A plus B, is later this month, so earlier is less than today, which is less than later. That means A plus C is less than B plus C, which is less than A plus B. These inequalities tell us the order of the numbers. From A plus C less than B plus C, cancel the C from both sides to get a less than B. From B plus C less than A plus B, cancel the B to get C less than A. So Caitlin's number is the smallest and Bethany's is the largest. C is less than A, which is less than B. Now find the smallest such numbers. The 2-digit primes start 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. We need C less than A less than B. And the largest sum, A plus B, must be at most 31. Taking C equals 11, A equals 13, and B equals 17 works. A plus B is 30, B plus C is 28, and A plus C is 24. All valid dates in the same month. So Caitlin wears 11. Caitlin wears the number 11. The answer is 11, which is choice A.